It is time.
Sarkodie and khaligraphjones, have fun now. You guys are not studying.
Kao Denero, it is not my profession.
Kao Denero, just tell us with good news.
There is a new female student in class. Very, very beautiful. Brighter than the sun.
What?
I'm telling you, Sarkodie, the girl is brighter than our features. If you set your eyes on her, you go high past dog and money cock. Hi.
So, what should we do, guys?
Look, we are best friends, so no need to fight over a girl. But let's try our luck in a calm manner.
Sarkodie, you got a point. So who will go first to burn that girl?
I will go first, guys. Anyways, we are birds of the same feather that flock together.
But do not make love together. Oh. What will I do to have this new female classmate?
Hello, sunshine. Can I join you?
My name is khaligraphjones, American returnee.
Chai, I have played slow. This guy is fast. Chai.
So what is your name? Don't worry. I don't like to stress beautiful girls to speak back, as it is like this, I'm the king of this class for 20 years. I don't pass exams, but I help people pass. That's my destiny.
Nonsense. Ugly thing. Who do you think you are? Someone is talking to you and you are looking at me as if I got your grandma pregnant.
Khaligraphjones, how was the date?
That girl is a stone. She didn't offer a single word to me. The great OG.
Thank God.
Don't worry. Let me go and have that girl with my left brain. Hey, sweet carrot.
This girl no easy. Oh.
The perfection of your eyes, the glowing skin of yours, the girl I dream of, going to heaven, body and soul. My name is Sarkodie, artist and a millionaire, likewise the only male virgin artist in Africa. Can you please tell me your rich name? Don't worry, I will buy you a walking talking phone so we can talk online. Hey, excuse me. I'm talking to you and you don't talk back. Look, I give you 1 month in this campus. You will get pregnant. Nonsense. Ugly like your family shrine.
I might be the lucky person, no.
Kao Denero, that girl not die. Go try your luck. She's not talking at all.
Maybe she's deaf and dumb. Did you try talking with your hands or writing on a piece of paper?
Forget. Go and try your luck.
Now I feel motivated to study.
Really?
Of course. My name is mrtalkc and you?
Tiwa Savage.
Stop it. I'm heartbroken.
Is he your boyfriend?
Why God take this fine girl dash this monkey? Oh.